Down.
Yeah, I'll do that totally. What
Yeah.
this is the best way to get rid of them. Wait till you move.
Harry, I'm never going to be able to stand upside down. That really hurts.
just get like, do like a shoulder stand.
No, it hurts my brain.
Yeah, I'll show you. No, especially to get rid of hiccups. Come on,
Yeah, but I'd rather
quick. You can
really
be like for
scared.
10 seconds. Right, no, put your head on the floor. Right. One.
I don't want to break my neck.
No, you're not gonna. Alright,
One,
now.
2, 3, 4.
Go try and drink.
Yeah.
You're such a weakling.
Fucking funny. Hopefully the fear of getting my movies out is taking away the She really hurt my neck.
Try to drink upside down.
It's just really funny.
You're
I
really
didn't want
coming.
anywhere.
You have to drink upside down.
Harry, that's gone.
You're supposed to drink upside down. You can't stand upside down.
You got a little erection as well.
Well, what's these knobs you got? What's these knobs you got?
He's there, guys. Very adoration. Very, you got a little erection.